Hi, I'm Denise, and what's exciting about today is we want to share accessibility with you. Activities that really dial into just simple little tricks to make it better. Since we are going to a place called the Southwest, we thought it'd be very fitting to add treasures, not only just treasures as that, but treasures that are magnets. So anytime that you can add magnets to your refrigerator or wherever, it tells a story where you've been. So let's go ahead and take a look at our activity today. It's called Treasure Magnet. The supplies are very minimal. We have very few supplies. And I'm going to pass this over to Kate shortly, and we're going to talk about different options and the accessibility part. Take it away, Kate.
All right. Hello, my name's Kate. And today we're going to be making these treasure magnets, like Denise said. So we have a few here. One side is black, and to make sure that we're on the correct side, you can use your fingers to feel around on it to show that this black side is the magnet side. So this is the side we don't want to put jewels on, or else it won't stick to our refrigerators. But if you feel it with your fingers, it's a little bit slipperier than the other side. So this side has a white sticky sheen over it that we can peel off later if we'd like to. But if you wipe your fingers all over it, it does not move as easily as the other side. So that's how we know magnet side, non-magnet side.
And I also like how Kate is incorporating and talking about how it feels. That's just a great way to kind of make sense of what you're working with too. It's just descriptive words work well.
Yes, thank you. And so on our non-magnet side, if you would like to, you can peel off this white sticker, and then underneath we have a black sticky surface. But you don't necessarily have to. Like, for instance, this example did not peel off the white sticker, and the jewels stuck to it just fine. But if you would like a little bit more adhesion, then you can take off that white sticker.
And these are also ordered on Amazon. You can find many magnets that are created this way.
Yes, and then we'll take our sticky jewels we have over here. It's pretty fun to get all sorts of different colors, shapes, sizes, just to get a little bit of variety in there. And especially if they're different shapes and sizes, our patrons like to have a little bit of variety in how they feel, not just in how they look. But it's always good to have, a mix of everything. But then you're free to make whatever design you would like to decorate your fridge or your calendar, or, to give as a fun little gift to people. It's just a really build your own adventure kind of activity.
Yeah, and since this activity was mentioned and we are visiting the Southwest, we decided to do kind of rhinestone because it tied into the theme that you can find different rhinestones in different areas in the mountains, and also gold. But also the takeaway part is the learning part too, and talking about just one idea that can be generated from the treasure magnet. There was even suggested today that since these are just round rhinestones, it makes for a terrific idea to make a braille name, because you have your dots, and why not make a braille word in it or braille name?
Yes, it's a great idea.
So this activity brings in, it's easy to do. Make sure to describe the materials that you would be working with, and everything is accessible. And just make sure to have fun. That is the most important part. And there's your finished product. That almost looks like stars in the sky.
Yes.
But most importantly, you have fun. They have fun doing it with you. And if you want more of these ideas, which are going to be coming on, we are going to be creating ideas all summer long, and go to the iowalibrary.blog. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.